it's Jxer here, and this is Jxer's Diary. So today we just got our new DJI Osmo Pocket 2. This is the latest of the Osmo Pocket. Here, you can see. It's very handy. Actually, since the time that the DJI released the Osmo Pocket, that is the Pocket 1, I'm keeping my eye on it, but in between, we're thought okay compared to the other one competitor of this, which is already a what you called it, sporty, and it is sturdy. So we decided to take that one instead of this. But just a month ago, we came to know that DJI, they launched their latest DJI Pocket 2, which is really enhanced as for the DJI Pocket 1. So really, we can't resist to get it, and finally, we get it now. So let's head in and let's unbox this. So here, it was said that here it is included, of course, the DJI Pocket, the cover, a lightning adapter for the iPhone, USB, and also a mini control stick, a tripod mount, a wrist strap, and a power cable. So let's see. Okay. So guys, here it is. Ta-da! It's very nice. It's indeed very handy. And you can just really slide it in your pocket. By the way, the name says it so. Yeah, it's difficult to pull it out. Okay. Oh, alright. See, so this is the current case or protective case. So with a DJI engraved on it. So, alright. Here's the unit itself. Here is the small gimbal. So let's try. What else we got there? Wait. Here. What else in the box? Things are really small. It's accessories. Oh, yeah, I seen this. Like, this is the joystick. Before, you got to purchase that roller type, metal roller type, for you to navigate, something like that. So now they have replaced it with this mini joystick. And this one. So let's keep that aside. And what's this? So yeah, this is the one that you will attach here if you wanted to mount it in a tripod. So here, so if you are planning to mount it in a tripod, you got to remove this one, the side, and replace it with this in order for you to mount it. Because on this side, you're going to charge it with a USB charger, USB charger. And so when you will replace it with this, see, when you'll replace it with this, still you can still slide in your charger there. And then what else is there? Things are so tiny, guys, actually, so it's quite difficult to pull it off. Alright, so this is the lightning adapter, I believe. Yes, it is. It's the lightning adapter. Wow. Woo! It's too tiny! And so this is the CUSB, which if you're an Android user, so you're gonna use this. That one is for those iPhone users. Then, yeah, this is the strap. This is the strap. So the strap as well, there's a DJI, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's focused now. Right, there, DJI engraved on it. So yeah, on this side, this is where you will slide in or insert your memory card, micro card, micro SD card, I mean. And then this is where you're gonna put your sling. See, it's pretty cute. And so yeah, this tiny joystick thing, this is where you're gonna keep it. Alright. Oh. And then yeah, this is the C USB charger. And silica, and then yeah, what is this, warranty card, and the instruction. Oh, they also have this. It's like the other, I'll not mention the brand, but I think you already have the idea of which brand that is giving away like this type of sticker. So they also have that. See. Alright, that's pretty all included in the DJI Pocket, Osmo Pocket 2. This is just the regular this is not the combo one. This is just the regular package that we purchased. On the combo one, there are some more things is in there, but it is more expensive definitely. Here in UAE, it costs 550 dirhams more. So when I saw it in the website, they're saying in like US and country, it's like that. So it's like $150 difference. So specifically here in UAE, it's 550 dirhams difference. So that's why we decided to just purchase the basic kit, not the combo one, but really it's worth it. And we will be updating you with the footage that this mini DJI Pocket is capable with. Alright, so that's all for now. So again, this is Jxer and this is Jxer's Diary. Please, if you like this video, consider liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!